So this is what you witness when it comes to a Brookfield Premier League. So what do you like to say, भाई, about the players? क्योंकि stats हम stats देख रहे थे. We were seeing the stats before we started. So what do you like to say about Saurabh Rathi, the guy who took 11 wickets, man?
Let's see if the history can repeat, but let's see if we can have some new emerging player also joining in the Brookfield Premier League Season 5. Will be exciting because the excitement will getting double, triple. Now it's like 5 times excitement because we are in Season 5 right now. Let's see now. We're going to start the first match. शुरू करते हैं. Clean Max versus Leela, the first match.
जी हाँ, शुरू तो करते हैं और साथ ही साथ देखते हैं क्या प्रमोद भाई फिर से अपना कमाल दिखा पाएंगे, क्या सौरभ भाई फिर से अपनी गेंद के साथ खेल पाएंगे. एंड आतिश, ओ माय गॉड, ये उछलता है भाई, इसके पैरों में स्प्रिंग लगी है. लिटरली ही कितने डाइव्स मारे, कितने कैचेस लिए इसने. ही हैज बीन वन ऑफ द मोस्ट फाइनेस्ट फील्डर ऑफ द लास्ट ईयर. और मैं बता रहा हूँ, इट्स नॉट जस्ट मी हूज टेलिंग, क्योंकि फर्स्ट मैच से लेके लास्ट मैच तक वही एक्साइटमेंट उसके पैर में लगा था. इन बिटवीन ही वाज लिंपिंग लिटिल बिट, बट इन स्पाइट ऑफ दैट ही वाज देयर इन द मैच एंड ही वाज जस्ट मेकिंग इट even bigger for him. Well, before we go ahead, may I request our umpires to please get ready, our players. Let's start the match. We've got last 1 minute. Paurush bhai, we've got last 1 minute. We have to start the match. It's a humble request.
Manish, before we start, I'm giving you one more task to you, the final task. Please gear up everyone and we are ready for the countdown from 10.
9. But before we go ahead with the countdown, I've got a very important announcement to make. This announcement is for all the captains. I request you all to please make sure that you're listening this, because this is very important. जो भी rules हैं, I request you all to please go through again with your players, your fellow players. It's a humble request. Let's not, make the delay with some small, the things we go ahead with, because these are the small things which is making it more delayed. So it's a humble request. We can't afford more delay. We are already 35 minutes late from the given schedule. So it's a humble request to all the captains. Prathamesh bhai, make sure आप अपने players को पहले ही पूरे rules बता दें. All the players, yeah. Thank you.
Okay, umpires are ready, fielders are ready, batsmen are ready. So everyone, are you ready?
Yes, there's only one me who's ready. बाकी तो शांत बैठे हैं यहाँ पे यार. क्या हो गया? People there, come on. People on the right, Clean Max. Come on, people, are we ready?
Manish, let's start the countdown fast.
Hey. There's only 2
Let's
people
start.
shouting.
10.
Okay, everybody. चलो यहाँ पे जितने बैठे हम लोग काउंटडाउन देते हैं. 10, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and here we go. Let's go.
First ball. Looking to slice, but straight to the fielder. Straight to the wicket keeper indeed. First ball. Looking to slice at the point. Good start. First ball, dot ball. I request one extra player to send to the scorer from Leela and Clean Max. There's a big shout to the umpire.
Well, this man really dominates. The captain of Clean Max Hybrid. He's truly a dominating player. I mean, we could see his passion about this game. May I request both the teams, Team Leela and Team Clean Max, please send one of your players to the scorer fast. Adi, can you call them? Okay, Team Clean Max, can we have one of your player at the com box?
Good start. Is something change in the field? Let's see what's the strategy from Clean Max team. Now the left right-hand batter on strike. The score is 1 after 3 balls being bowled. This time is excellent shot. Only a single. Good start from Rahul, the bowling. Murli and Rajesh, the opening pair. Excellent bowling, excellent bowling. It's a good line and length. Again, looking to play a cut shot, but totally got swing and a miss. Good stuff, good bowling from Rahul. Last ball of the first. Down the track, but completely missed it. Good start from Rahul. Only 2 runs considered. What a start. 1 was gone, 2 for no loss. Leela. Second to the ball, Rohit. White ball still by the umpire, just going down the leg side. Coming extras into the account of Team Leela. So hello everyone, welcome back to all the YouTube spectators watching us live. Excellent bowling, quick. That's a very quick running, but also a great fielding effort. Looking for the direct hit on the stumps, but a good running. इतनी तेज भागे मनीष की वंदे भारत एक्सप्रेस भी फेल. That's a quick running. Okay, there is no leg buys and buys, so no runs. 3 on the board after 1.1. Team Leela. Absolutely good start from Clean Max. A bit of in the air, just short of the fielder, direct hit. एक रन यहां पर चुरा लिया है. So Manish, it's a very good start from Clean Max. They are restricting at the beginning to Team Leela.
Of course, my brother. And last year, the best player of the tour was Mumtaz Khan from Team Leela. You know, looking forward for some good game from her this year also, because it's not.
This time a tossed up delivery.
And no ball ishara from the leg umpire here.
Oh, that's a signaling the free hit coming up. So Manish, you're waiting for that big blow, for big six. All the spectators and the dugout, the team members, the supporters waiting for it. क्या ये बड़ा hit देखना होगा. Free hit ball. 6 on the board. It's a free hit ball. Good stop. Looking for second. He already came down half track but sent back. Only a single. Good fielding.
But just now I got to know that Mumtaz is not playing this year for some reason. But I'm sure Leela is always, performing really good. And this year also they're going to be coming up with something really crazy. But ये थोड़ा सा miscoordination हो गया था from both the batters.
Once again, the tossed up delivery straight to the field, a mid-on bit of, it didn't collect. Could be the chance of run out, Manish, if he can collect and throw directly to the non-striker end.
But one thing, what I really like about this game, especially this league, that people don't take this lenient at all. यहाँ पे कोई leniency नहीं है. They are very strict. They are very passionate when it comes to this game. And Rohit. What a beautiful bowling. That was a Yorker.
And that's a suicidal run out. वो कहते हैं मनीष जी जब दो गाड़ी एक पटरी पर आती है तो एक्सीडेंट होना जरूरी है और हो गया एक्सीडेंट.
और ये काफी 3 गेंद पहले also there was a miscoordination. Derail already वहीं से शुरू हो चुके थे. Derail होना.
Clean max celebrating the first wicket.
And they kept it very tight for Team Leela. I think they're going to be going on the words that they said during the presentation that we are going to restrict them under 30. और कहानी अब तक तो कुछ ऐसी ही लग रही है मेरे भाई क्योंकि 2 ओवर जा चुके हैं and it's 8 runs on the loss of 1.
Now it's like Manish, as we can say, because शुरुआत थोड़ी धीमी रही है, but it's not. It's like the movie is not over. It's just a start.
वो कहते हैं ना शाहरुख खान का डायलॉग था कि ये तो सिर्फ टेलर था, पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. और पिक्चर बढ़िया रहने वाली है क्योंकि ये भी लीला है, इनकी लीला भी कमाल है.
Okay, we have the new batter, Shraddha. She will take strike. And we have the new bowling. Lydia in the bowling attack. Bowling to Shraddha. So it's like Manish. Women's cricket.
खतरनाक. मारी छोरियां किसी छोरे से कम है क्या?
Let's see. She will good a comeback. Start है, शुरुआत है. थोड़ा समय लगेगा.
थोड़ा सा दिशा भूल रही हैं ये.
With that 10 on the board, from single digit to now double digits, Manish.
From the 2 extras.
Yes, that's a good comeback from Lydia. That's one more wide coming extras.
देखिए जैसे भी आए बस आए, यहां पर 4 रन लीला ने लिए हैं बटोर, कि कहें कि क्लीन मैक्स ने दिया है।
ये फ्री रन्स दिए हैं एंड वी हैव समथिंग डिस्कशन बिहाइंड अस, लाइक बस खड़े रहना है, रन्स ऑटोमेटिक आ रहे।
What a beautiful comeback, what a beautiful bowling.
The score is 12 for 1 after 15 balls being bowled. 2.3.
There's so many changes, not only in the players but also in the life. Because last year when I was working with them, so it's not just the game, ek emotions connect ho jata hai. You make friends here. You know, as I said, this game is more about sharing the love. और यहाँ पे फिर से one extra. And the captain getting furious here, holding the patience. Atish is coming and directing the bowler कि बस सीधे देखना है, सीधे फेंकना है. And once again an extra. I'm sure people are disappointed. The players, especially the captain, is really not happy with this. Highest scoring over by all the extras. Well said. But yeah, I was talking about the emotions. I was talking about the sentiments. So I was talking in the opening ceremony. And it's an extra. They have to get some changes in the strategy now because this is really not working for them. So I was talking about the sentiments, man. The captains of both the teams are fathers now, and I'm really happy for them.
Looking to swing, but this time good comeback from Lydia.
But one thing I want to tell, not even a single run from the bat yet. It's just the extras what she's given.
Very well left. She knows that ball will go down the leg side once again for wide. 17 on the board after 2.4. Yes, that's good comeback. Talking about Manish, 17 runs scored, 11 extras already.
This happens here. Again, I'm telling you, they're not the professional cricketers. They're trying their best to give the best. And that's a wide from the umpire. Now Atish is really not happy from this. I could see this. You know, when such situations come, you should just come and support your player. But one thing I really want to comment about this over, that is really commendable, that not even a single run from the bat. Achha, there was a bat run, I think I missed it, my bad. So just one run from the bat. Well done, well done. Not an issue, it's just an extras that you've given. And just one run from the bat. That's all right. I think you should feel good about the positive things that you've given. Lydia, you've done a great thing.
Yes, 3 was gone, 20 for 1. Let's see now what Rajesh and Shraddha can do something special for Team Leela. Because Manish, they need to set up and come back with a big target. They already got 11 runs in the previous over. And now we have Atish with the bowling. Oh, that's an excellent bowling, shot of length. Looking to tap that shot, but went to the square leg for a single run taken.
Oh, the furious player. I love this boys cricket, huh? This Atish. He plays really good. What a bowling.
That will go. 1 run declared. That was very good pull shot. But as per the rule, it's a 1 run declared area. Only a single. Okay, we have the updated score. 22 for 1 after 3.2. Once again, looking for the pull shot. A wonderful banner of the Brookfield. This looks like the 22-yard pitch. 23 on the board. Keshav and Rajesh with the bat. First match of the Brookfield Premier League Season 5 is on. The energy is on. The excitement is on. And we welcome once again to all the spectators watching us live from YouTube. A warm welcome. First match in progress. Clean Max won the toss, decided to bowl, and they sent Leela to bat. Once again, looking for a big one. Has not got the proper connection to play. Oh, what happened there? This is what the strategy. पूरी तरह से खुद को समर्पण कर दिया है on the field. It doesn't matter, but make sure you take care of yourself. Only 3 runs considered so far. Once again, short pitch ball being pulled away. Only a single run. Rotating the strike, both the batsmen Keshav and Rajesh. Coming up the last ball of the 4th, it's 24 on the board. The 7 overs game. What a start now. Leela धीरे धीरे हौले हौले come back कर रहे हैं. Keshav on strike now. Oh, that's a good catch. Is that out? Yes, with the one hand, looking to just a slight touch over point, and very well balanced Manish.
और भंडारी है लय भारी. What a catch from the single hand. He's so good.
Remember that one catch, Manish. I remember that Yuvraj Singh has taken that very good catch in one of the very old match. And that same fashion, he has taken that catch. Excellent with the one hand. Good balance. Very well balanced.
Of course.
So that's end of the over number 4. It's 24 for 2, Leela.
यार मैं बता रहा हूँ इनकी प्लेयर कमाल है, धमाल है. क्लीन मैक्स, they are really good and they show it in every match. हर मैच में वही excitement, वही passion, वही madness. See how they're intense. They don't care about what is happening outside the field. They are there. Be it physically, be it mentally, they are there in the match.
Absolutely well said. Physical fitness and mental awareness is must in cricket. If this is not, you cannot play cricket. 4 ओवर के बाद 24 पे 2. अब आखिरी 3 ओवर है बाकी. Team Leela, let's see if they can cross 50 plus, 60 plus. Because वो कहते हैं मनीष, it's a power play over. Umpire signaling.
And Rathik at the bowling's end, putting his first over now.
Only one fielder is allowed on the boundary line. That's in the batting power play is on now. Coming up. 4 overs, 24 for 2. Manish, 3 overs left. That's 18 ball left. Expecting Team Leela to get a challenge in total for clean max 50, 60 plus.
What do you think? It's 3 overs left, 18 balls. I don't know. मतलब जितना मैंने क्रिकेट अब तक देखा है क्लीन मैक्स का, I doubt. But then Leela is also very furious. They've got some good players, man.
Yeah, absolutely. Let's see now. They have something strategy because it's like one fielder only at the boundary line. They're setting up the field. Discussions are on. वो कहते हैं boss is having discussion. A quick DRM is completed.
Yeah, of course, यार. You can't underestimate any player here. सबके अंदर यार हमने देखा है यहाँ पर कुछ चीजों को, like you know, we were not expecting some magic moments. We say some miracles. We witnessed magic happening at the Brookfield Premier League season 4 and season 5. Maybe वही magic, वही मस्ती.
We are the one fielder at long on. That's gone high in the air. We are witnessing first 6 runs. First 6 of the tournament. Clean strike straight down the ground. Atish was trying, but it going over and bang on. 6 runs. Once again in the air and check in. What a comeback. तो ये होता है मनीष जी क्रिकेट का खेल, अजब गजब खेल, कभी खुशी कभी गम, कौन बनेगा मैच का सिंघम. This is the game of cricket. Happiness and now it's like disappointment. One more wicket fall of Team Leela. 30 for 3 after 4.2. A good cash again by Rahul at extra cover. Coming up the next ball in the air. One more wicket chance. Oh, one more wicket taken in the second attempt. And it's hat-trick chance for Rathik. Rathik coming up the next ball in the air. One to the cover fielder. And let's see. वो बोले bowling भी मैं करूँगा, catch भी मैं पढ़ूँगा, सब कुछ मैं करूँगा because I am the universal boss cricket. Chris Gayle है मैं इस cricket का. 30 for 4. 4.3 hat-trick for Rathik. Rathik on hat-trick now. Back-to-back 2 catches.
Is this going to be the first hat-trick of the season?
Yeah, Manish, we witnessed a first 6 in the same over. And now it's like we will witness the first hat trick. We are predicting. Let's see. No, there's no prediction from my side. But let's see, Ratik. What a good comeback.
Beautiful bowling, man. Beautiful bowling.
Ramesh on strike. Hat trick ball. Excellent. Well driven. Straight to the fielder. No ball signal by the umpire. And coming up, following ball will be free hit. (31 for 4). Once again, good strike. Only a single this time. The score is 32. Mani and Ramesh. Once again ready. Down the track this time. A missed time shot is taken second. खेलना चाहते थे ऑन साइड में, गेंद चली गई ऑफ साइड, but will get a single. The score is 33 with that single. Last ball of the 5th over. No ball signal by the umpire there. It's about that waist height. And extras are coming like the free gift runs for Team Leela. 14 extras so far. 20 runs and 14 extras. That's good strike in the air, high in the air. A fielder there is, oh, he's dropped it, catch. Catch chuta, sapna toota. Mauka tha, could be the chance for the 3 wickets in this same over. 20 runs, Ratik, and we can see the action replay. That's went very much miles in the air. Long on fielder tried to get that, but couldn't get a hold of it, and he dropped it. So luck in the favor of Team Leela after 5 overs, 36 for 4. Leela. Five was gone. It's 36 for 4. Team Leela. And this is coming up last 2 overs of the first innings. Coming up, Rahul Matre once again in the bowling attack, just conceded 2 runs in his first over. Down the track, in the air, safe landing, straight to the fielder, long off. Only a single here. 37 पे 4, पारदर्शन लोग 1. दोनों टीम ने बेहतरीन धमदार शुरुआत की है इस पहले एनकाउंटर में ब्रुकफील्ड प्रीमियर लीग 2025. Good start, fab start. Rahul once again, now this time to Ramesh. Is that outside edge? And its captain has taken that catch behind the stumps. One more wicket fall of Team Leela. 5th wicket down. Rahul once again, now this time to Ramesh. Rahul, नाम तो सुना ही होगा, पर आप उन्होंने कहा कि आज आपने मेरा काम तो देखा ही होगा. Outside edge and a very simple catch for the skipper. Parush, good catch behind the stumps. Parush caught behind. So 37 for 5. Team Leela. What a bowling from Rahul. Conceded only 3 runs, 1.2. We are seeing every over they're having something field setting change. Strategy changing. Clean max team. Release and continue the calories burning of the fielders. That is very important. And this time in the air, that will go for only single run. It went well miles in the air and continue the calories the rule, burning of the single run in the dead region. 38 पे 5. As we're talking about prediction, and the projected score should be 50-60. Let's see. Mani and Chirag. Rahul once again. This time to Money on strike. Chirag was on strike. No run this time. 38 for 5. And that was very good bowling into the block hole by Rahul. Excellent bowling. This is what the bowling is called for Rahul. And that's captain is giving him the opportunity to restrict Team Leela to set up a big score. Last ball of the 6th over. Down the track, high in the air. Will he clear the distance? One bounce and how many runs? 2 runs taken. So that's end of the over number 6. Team Leela 40 for 5. छह ओवर के बाद 40 पे 5. A fantastic start. Both the teams' first match in progress of the Brookfield Premier League Season 5 is on. Atish once again back in the bowling. Oh, that's cut and bowled and gone. Excellent bowling. Unfortunately, batsman has got the inside edge. And that's out. 6-wicket fall of Team Leela. Clean Max are playing really well. What a good start in the bowling. 40 पे 6 विकेट नुकसान पर टीम लीला. $40 for 6. It doesn't matter you lost a wicket. It matters what you play right now, because after this it's a penalty mate. It's the last over. It's not indeed the last over coming, not the penalty mate over. It's the last over in progress of the first innings. And last 5 balls coming up of the first innings. Chirag and Money. 41 for 6. Last 4 balls coming up. Atish to Chirag this time. Left-hand batsman. The score is 42 for 6. Absolutely good start. Brookfield Premier League Season 5 is on. 42 for 6. Last 3 balls. Can they get 50 plus on the board? Team Leela. Going back foot straight to the fielder. Direct hit. Lucky there. Smile on the face. And coming up the last 2 balls remaining. 43 for 6. So Manish, we're talking about the 2 balls left. They are 43 on the board. Will they get a 50 plus, at least a decent score on the board after 7?
May I request the captain of Team Altis and Team Digital Connection. May I request the captains to please join us at the presentation area for the toss. May I request the captain of Team Digital Connection, Mr. Mandar Naik on the right, and Atul on the left. May I request Shiva sir if you can please join us for toss ka boss. So who will give the call? Atul will give the call.
Head.
Heads is the call and tails it is. Yet again, tell me.
We would like to bowl first.
You would like to bowl first. Any specific strategy?
Not really. Like last year, we actually won games bowling. So,
Understood.
that's the only-
So what is the run you're planning to restrict them on?
let's see. Probably 30 would be a better one.
Kya baat hai?
All depends. We are playing them for the first time.
But I could see the confidence, man. It's really good. Any changes than last year?
Yes. So it's an altogether new team. This year, mostly the average age is around 35, 40.
Oh my god. What does that mean, average age, man?
So it's a small organization, right? So yeah, so probably growing year by year. Like this is my third year.
Oh, very nice. But last year you gave a very good game. I know that. And all the best, man.
Thank you so much.
All the best. Play a good cricket. अतुल यहाँ पर आ जाओ मेरे भाई. अगर आप टॉस जीतते तो क्या लेते आप?
Ball.
बॉलिंग लेते तो कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ा सा अपसेट हुए हैं फ्रॉम.
Yes.
बट फिर भी नेवर द लेट बिकॉज बैटिंग करेंगे. I'm sure you have a good players, definitely. What is the run? What is the target that you're setting in your mind to give them?
We will give the target between the around 45 to 50.
45 to 50. कौन से ऐसे players है, batsmen हैं जिन पे आपको बहुत ज़्यादा भरोसा है?
We have 2-3 batsmen. So let's check.
ले देख रहे हैं. और आप क्या करते हैं? Bowling करते हैं?
Bowling.
आप bowling बहुत अच्छा करते हैं. क्या बात है? All the best यार. And here we've got my brother who has won the toss and they have opted to bowl. Team Digital Connection. Let's see the good cricket.
Thank you very much, Manish. What a start to the tournament, Team Leela. They ended with 44 for 7. You can see the scorecard as Rajesh, the only 2 digits. The rest all contribution with single digits. The extras were 14 and 44 for 7. It's a decent total. Bowling performance, the best economy. You can see a 3 economy from Rahul, with 2 overs, only 6 runs conceded. 3 wickets for Atish, 2 wickets for Ratik. And 44 for 7. 45 target
All right.
for Clean Max.
Yes. So next match is between Altis and Team Digital Connection. So here, Digital Connection has won the toss and they've opted to bowl.
Thank you very much once again, Manish, for the news for the second match. Well, let's see. The team huddle is on. And 45 is the target. 42 balls. It's like a runner ball, but the pressure is on. The excitement is on. And let's see if Team Leela can defend or Clean Max. In how many overs they will get this target. So hello and welcome back once again to everyone out here. Brookfield Premier League Season 5. The match is on. The excitement is on. .45 to get from 42 balls.
But yeah, I was at the toss ceremony at Altis and Digital Connection. They've won the toss. Digital Connection, they've opted to bowl. I could see another level of confidence in Mandar, the captain of the team.
Okay, we are all set to start the second innings of the first match.
Okay, so once again, announcement for both the teams, Altis and Digital Connection. We've got a dedicated physio. So for your stretches, you can definitely meet him to avoid the injuries.
Welcome back once again, myself Mithya Solanki, and we have a very fantastic host, Magical Manish, with me once again. Welcome.
Thank you, my brother. Marvelous man. Okay, but then yaar, maza aaya. Last inning was really good. The 2 wickets of Ratik was so good, man.
Here's the confirmation. 3, 2, 1, game on. First ball of the second innings. Played to the square leg region. So both the batsmen off the mark with a single, 2 for no loss.
यार ये चतुर्वेदी जी कमाल है. मुस्कान के साथ साथ इनकी जो बल्लेबाजी भी है उसमें चमकान है.
Good comeback from Murli. A short of pitch delivery, a bit of change in the line and length, and वो slow release फेंका था मनीष सीधे विकेट कीपर के पास.
जी 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 चकमा खा गए. Beautiful, what a strike. और यहाँ पर 2 run. What a run between the big wickets. They've got 2 runs in this bowl. Beautiful shot. फुर्ती तंदुरुस्ती यहाँ पर दिखती है. Clean Max hybrid.
Yeah, that's excellent running between the wickets. 2 runs taken. And they know that 6 runs, 7 runs per over, and that's a match for team Clean Max, the defending champions, Manish.
Aha, they know their game, man. And यहाँ पर fearlessly खेला तो था. It's a wicket. And यहाँ पर जब ऐसे 7, 5, 7, 8, 10, 20 ओवर के ऐसे मैचेस होते हैं छोटे छोटे, तो यू हैव टू प्ले fearlessly. आपको बिल्कुल रिजल्ट्स की चिंता नहीं करनी. आपको बस यू हैव टू हिट फॉर द मैक्सिमम. एंड गलतियां वहीं होती है.
Looking for big one, skipper to play the clear the long on field. Bit of more energy could get the boundary line over the 6, Manish. But just a fielder was simple catch for the
See
fielder.
the way she's walking. Oh my God, ऐसे शेरनी की तरह चल रही है. अपने हाथ में हथियार लेके अपना. What a good strike. Third man की तरफ. 1 रन बड़े ही साफ तरीके से. 1 रन, very nice.
It's very important, Manish, if you have off the mark straight away first ball, then you are the top quality batter.
Of course, man.
That's end of the over number 1. It's 5 for 1. The equation says 40 runs to get from 36 ball. Doable, but let's see. The team, Leela, will they defend or Clean Max will clean this?
I'm sure they will.
Coming up, the new bowler from Team Leela, Surekha. Into the bowling attack.
Women to women now.
Yes, once again we're witnessing. In the first inning also we witnessed Manish, and now second inning. And we talked about that one post. Trying to bowl that middle, but going down the leg side, extra coming.
Will that be a catch? Will that be a catch? Yes, that is. Beautiful bowling, and what a wicket.
So he's trying to pull the short pitch ball and looking for big one, but a very good catch taken there at mid-wicket region. Second wicket fall of Clean Max. Team Leela looking very good. It is okay. One run also counts, Manish. It doesn't matter 6 and 4. Ek run.
Every run, every wicket, every movement, it all counts.
वो कहते हैं बूंद बूंद से सागर होता है.
क्या बात है.
The score is 6 for 2. Up and over! Clear the long off region for a sixer!
That's maximum.
Good strike.
क्या straight drive था मेरे भाई. Look, it's helicopter shot.
And adding with the straight as an arrow.
Look at the stance that he took. Look at the batting action. Oh my God, so beautiful. Back to back.
Once again.
खुशी की लहर दौड़ चुकी है क्लीन मैक्स में यहाँ पर.
The fun part is, Manish, there's a catching chance in the dugout also.
Back to back. And you get just excitement and happiness. Not more than that.
That's 2 back to back. Clean strike from Clean Max team. Ratik, 18 for 2.
मौका है, दस्तूर है. और बॉलर ने किया मजबूर है छक्का मारने पे. क्या बात.
Is that 3 in a trot? Yes.
Oh.
3 in a trot, Manish. Back to back sixer. चक दे फटे 90 गिल्ली और बॉल को भेज दिया सीधा दिल्ली.
क्या मजबूर है छक्का मारने पे. So you mean you're sitting? No, it has come to. Okay. बहुत प्यारा सा ऑफ ड्राइव था. 1 रन से संतुष्ट होना पड़ेगा इन्हें यहाँ पर.
So 20 runs, Manish, in this over so far. And that's what the equation says. The balls are more.
Look at the happiness there. Look at the happiness there. And it's a no ball from the leg umpire.
And coming up the next ball, it's free hit ball. Free hit ball tha. So only a single run to end of the over. Can we have a big round of applause to Rati? What a batting.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है. टीम क्लीन मैक्स यार अपने प्लेयर्स के लिए आवाज कर दो यार. कम ऑन एवरीबॉडी, कैन वी मेक सम नॉइज फॉर द बैट्समैन हु रियली प्लेड वेल यार. तालियां आवाज कर दो. क्लीन मैक्स. पौरुष भाई अकेले चिल्ला रहे हो यार यहाँ पर. अगेन आई एम टेलिंग, लास्ट ओवर वाज रियली गुड. तो कितने 2 sixes 3 sixes 18 19 20 21 21 runs from the last over. Nothing could be better than this, man.
It's indeed a 23 runs came the last over. So now
23 run, my bad. 23 runs.
So the equation is now 17 from 30. Easy. Swing and a miss. Looking for big one. Now 17 from Ramesh in the bowling attack. It's like they can complete Manish in the next 2 overs.
Of course, man. What a bowling, yaar. It just fell short. The reason the Ratik was not able to hit it, but beautiful bowling by Ramesh. Oh my God, ये क्या है? ये क्या है?
Unfortunately hitting at the side of the pole. And a clean max dugout was really excited कि ये भी 6 रन हमारे झोली में आ जाता. Just a single. 16 to get from 27. Oh, what a flick. What a flick. Excellent shot. Square leg region. Only a single. Flick के बादशाह है. Straight खेलने के बादशाह है. 30 for 2. Just 15 to get. Going outside the off-stump line for wide. Ratik पूरी तरह से तहस महस कर दिया है. 3 लगातार बड़े हिट्स मारने के बाद पिछले ओवर में टोटली बीट हो गए. टोटली बीट हो गए. व्हाट अ गुड कमबैक. सो मनीष, इट्स लाइक जहां पे नुकसान होता है वहां पे भरपाई करना भी जरूरी है. एंड दैट्स व्हाट रमेश इज डूइंग. Only 3 runs conceded. Oh, that's very good bowling. Previous over 23 Manish, and now it's only 3 runs conceded by Ramesh. Good comeback by Team Leela. 3 gone is 31 for 2.
And they required 14 runs in just 24 balls. आसान है.
But it's like if Team Leela, if they defend, तो वो कहते हैं कि हार कर जीतने वाले को बाजीगर कहलाएंगे.
और ये भी कहा जाता है कि क्रिकेट जो है वो बड़ी ही अनिश्चितताओं का खेल है. जादू होता है यहाँ पर, मैजिक होता है, मिरेकल्स होते हैं, फ्लिप होती हैं चीजें. बट भैया ये टीम भी क्लीन मैक्स है. ये क्लीन करती है, वो भी बड़े मैक्सिमम तरीके से.
Let's see what will happen. 14 to get from 24. Will they complete in this over, or they will take 2 more overs to get? Trying to bowl the fuller one, but going down the leg side, or 1 more extra. Freeing the arms umpires from the first match.
But I bet you will enjoy this season, my brother.
Absolutely. Once again, waited for the ball, going backward and playing that to the covers. Only a single, and they know Manish this time. No big hits, just a single, and an easy win for Clean Max.
Of course.
It's a matter of just 2 big hits, 12 runs needed. That's a good change in bowling line and length.
What a bowling, man. What a beauty. Look at that. Oh. You got a perfect in swing. Did you see that?
And it happens if you bat across the line, then you missed it. And this time he's played straight, but good stop in the follow through. Manish, if you can see, previous over 3 runs, only now 2 runs. So Team Leela हार मानी नहीं है अब तक. उठा दिया है, हवा में गेंद है, लेकिन safe landing. And only a single. Still the pressure is on from Team Leela. 11 to get from 20.
Absolutely. 11 runs in 20 balls.
And this time, that's gone for wide. 1 more extra coming added to the total. If we're talking about extras, Manish, in the first inning we had 14 extras and only 5 extra in the second innings. This time only a single. 9 to get, 19 balls left. So Manish, It's like Clean Max अंदर से फर्स्ट मैच जीत गए वो जोश जारी है उत्सुकता है लास्ट बॉल ऑफ द फोर्थ
ब्यूटीफुल बॉलिंग और यहाँ पर it's a maximum last 3 runs. Look at the happiness here.
Excellent shot from Ratik. Ratik is looking so beautiful, so elegant, so dhamakedar, just looking like a wow.
3 overs 3 runs.
4 ओवर के समाप्ति के बाद 42 पे 2 मात्र 3 रन की दरकार है. क्या मनीष इस बार क्लीन मैक्स की सरकार है?
मुश्किल लग रहा है मुझे. Only 3 runs. Look at Dangi the way she's. Oh my God. This is fun, but then last 3 runs. This is beauty.
Just a single with 2 runs to get for Clean Max. And it's like a silence before a storm for the Clean Max team to celebrate the first match victory of Season 5. That will go down the leg side wide, just a 1 run to get.
We've got the Shah Rukh Khan umpire, the way he's जैसे बाएं फैला रहे बार-बार wide पे. He's looking like a Shah Rukh Khan, man.
Absolutely.
Okay.
So Manish, just 1 run to get. It's like a victory for the first match. Winning shot होगा क्या ये? Ratik hero बन गए. And that's it. That's it.
क्या बात है. We've got this. क्या बात है. Team Clean Max. Yet they proved that they are definitely the champions, man. They are really good. What they do better at. Okay, may I request Parush Bhai, along with Priyesh Bhai, please join us at the presentation area.
Yes, what a fantastic win. You can see the match summary, Leela. 7 overs, 44 for 7, and an easy chase for Clean Max, the hero of the match, Ratik, 28 of 14. He's a man. He's a key player to get the victory for Clean Max for the first match of the Season 5 Brookfield Premier League.
Right. May I request Mandar, along with